The Gamma connector for Superhuman Go lets you generate presentations, documents, web pages, and social posts directly from whatever you're looking at in your browser. In this video, we'll cover how to set it up and create Gammas and a few things worth knowing. Gamma connectors is a set of integrations that let you create Gammas from inside other tools. Superhuman Go is an AI productivity assistant that runs inside the Grammarly browser extension on Chrome and Edge. It appears as a floating interface that sits over any browser tab, across the apps and websites you already use. So with this connector, you can now turn your current tab into beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social posts instantly. To add the Gamma agent to Superhuman Go, start by installing the Grammarly browser extension on Chrome or Edge. Open the extension and find the settings. Toggle on Use Superhuman Go. A small floating notch appears at the edge of your browser window. Click the plus icon in the notch to open the agent store. Search for Gamma, click the Gamma agent listing, and click Add Agent. You'll be prompted to connect your Gamma account. Do that once, and the Gamma agent appears on your agent bench inside the notch. It's available from any tab going forward. Navigate to the content you want to use: an email thread, a document, an article, or any browser tab. Open the Superhuman Go notch and select the Gamma agent. Tell the Gamma agent what you want in natural language. Describe the format: presentation, document, web page, or social post. Specify the tone, the image style, which folder in your workspace to save it to, and which theme to apply. If your workspace has custom themes set up, you can reference those by name too. Once you send your message, Gamma generates the output and returns a link inside the Superhuman Go interface. Open the link and the result is waiting in your Gamma workspace, fully editable from there. The Gamma agent creates new Gammas. It does not edit existing ones. If you want to make changes to a Gamma that's already been generated, open it in the Gamma app and edit it there. Generation uses Gamma credits, the same way creating in the Gamma app does. If you see a message about insufficient credits, you can purchase more in Gamma account settings or upgrade your plan. If you see an authentication error, disconnect the Gamma integration in Superhuman Go and reconnect it. Finally, the Superhuman Go extension is only available on Chrome and Edge. That's how you use the Gamma connector for Superhuman Go. To learn more about Gamma connectors, check out the documentation link below. Try today and get your ideas into the universe.